In this tutorial, I will show you how to install local packages using yum. Here we will explore two different methods using yum local install and yum install. But before I start, I'm excited to announce that our course Linux Fundamentals, a complete guide for beginners, is now available on Udemy. If you are looking to learn Linux from scratch or want to master it like a pro, check out the course. You will find the link in the description box. Now, let's dive into today's content. In the yum package manager, the local install option exclusively installs packages from local files, providing more control over package management. To install an app package from a local file using the yum local install command, at first type cd downloads. After that, to view all the files and folders in the directory, type ls. Here you can see the list of downloaded RPM files. From here, now I will install the Google Chrome package. For that, I am typing sudo yum local install and the full package name Google Chrome stable. Now hit enter and you can see the process has begun. Pressing Y to continue. Finally, as the local app package installation is complete, the system displays a confirmation message indicating the successful installation. So this is how you can successfully install a local package using the yum local install command. Again, the yum package manager installs packages from online repositories or local files using the install option. To install an app package from a local file using the yum install command, at first navigate to the desktop directory with the command cd downloads. Now to see the list of content, type ls. From the RPM packages list, I will again install the Google Chrome package. For that, I will use the command sudo yum install and the package name. I am copying the package name from the terminal. And you can see the installation process has begun. Pressing Y to continue. And finally, you can see the installation of the app package from the local file is complete. That's all. Till now, I have shown the simple process of installing local packages using the yum package manager. Whether you opt for yum install or yum local install, you now have the knowledge to tailor your software environment to any Red Hat based Linux system with ease. For more, check the video description for article link and comments. Goodbye.